How to decrease space between bullet and text in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. So guys, here we are. This is my Google Docs page, and you can see I have some bullet point text here. Okay, and you can see the space between the text and bullet point, it is by default. So how you can decrease your spacing, I will show you. Okay, for that we need to visible our ruler. So you can see in my case I don't have ruler here. So make sure go to the view and make sure your ruler show is enabled. Just click on it, it will be enabled like this. Okay, now what you can see, the ruler. Now we need to select the text of this bullet point. Now you can see this is the triangle rectangle icon, and this icon will be visible. Okay, now you can see, you need to just click on this blue icon. It is indicate your bullet points, bullet icon. Now just drag to your right side and keep it the space place where you want. Okay, first deselect the your. Okay, you can see you don't need to, just make sure it is, just beside of this another blue icon, so it will be placed as it is, as you can see. Okay, so that is how you can decrease the size space between the bullet points and text. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.